Guys, and welcome back. In this video I will add the page for the news, but first I need to edit something here to make it okay with this image, because the image is much bigger than this button. Here for the button I can make padding of 3, and there I got this. Okay, I need padding left and right, padding left of 5 and padding right of 5. This is much better. Here I can make the style of font size. I think 25 pixels will be okay. Much great. Okay, here I can add a different type of card. I can go to the Bootstrap website. Here I will search for the card. Okay, I think it was for the card. I will go from the down there because I think it is down. Okay. Where is it? I need to find it. It will be amazing with this website. Okay. Not here. No. 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 No again. This one. Great. Here I will copy this here. I will copy and let's create a new section. So here section with the class of news. And I will add here padding tab of 5. Great. Here dev with a class of container and dev with a class of row. And here I can make dev with a class of column. I will divide the page into 2 columns. And here dev with a class of column. Here I can copy this part. I can paste this part here and here. The first step is to get an image. So here for the restaurant I can get I think this one is okay. No, not okay. What about this one? No. It would be incredible. This one is okay. I will copy. No, I do not need the search on the Google. Copy image address. Okay, now in the code, the first one here, I will paste it here. Okay, let's see what we have here when I load the page. Here I got this. This is great. We just have a problem with the text. I think we will change the image because of the text. Okay, the next image here I can make, I will search for a dark one. I think this one is okay. Copy image address here. And now I will paste it here. I hope it is okay. Here when I reload the page, this is fine, much fine. Here I need to edit something here. I can make here the card image. I can copy this class here and paste it forward. This I can make it card image 1. But I want to check something. Will it affect this? No, it will not affect. Great. Here for the next one here, where is it? Card image 1. So it will be the same. And what now? Here in the code I can make card image 1 to have the minimum height of 300 pixels and max height of 300 pixels. Let's see if it is okay. Much better, right? Okay. And now I can add max width and minimum width. Minimum width of 400 pixels. I think it will be okay. Not yet. Max width of 400 pixels. Not okay. I will leave it like it was. Like this. This is much great. Okay, and now I can make padding tab of 5, and here I can make margin tab of 5. This is much better. Okay, here I can add a background color. In the code here, background color. This one here, I will copy this background color and paste it for this one here. Section of news, paste. Let's see what we have here. This is much great. Then I can add a padding bottom and a margin bottom. Padding bottom of 5 and margin bottom of 5. Okay, this is much great. I just need to edit this image here because it is not okay. Okay, and now I think this one is okay. No. What about this one? It is okay. I will copy image address and paste it for the first one, which was for, I think it was on the C. Okay, reload. This is much great. I just need to edit the text. Here I have the card title. I can make here a new branch. I can delete the card text. Sorry, the card text here. I can make here okay, new meal. So here I got the new meal and this text. Great. Now we are done with this part. I just got a problem here, I think. Okay. Yes, padding bottom. This is great now. Okay. And here I can add a button. It is not necessary if you don't want to edit, but I will add it. Here I have h1 with a class of text center. I can copy the same as here, where the A here, copy and paste it here to be the same. I will just change this into news archive. Okay, so here I got this. This is much great, but I think I can change something here. What about the outline? Outline success. This is much better, right? Because we need a change. Okay, now we are done with this part. I'm thinking about what problems that we have here. When I make it like this, we have no problem here till now. We just need to add the margin bottom for these parts. Okay, and now with the card, this is a card. Margin bottom of I think 5 is okay. Let's see when I reload. So this is great. Okay, I can add a margin tab of 5 and the same as here. I will copy this part and paste it for this one. Okay, let's see when the image is small. Great. Now we are done with all of that here, and it is totally responsive. Okay. This is great. And the nav bar is great. We just got a small problem here, right? Okay, how can I fix this problem? In the grilled beef, with the grilled beef, I can here break the line. I can just break the line to make it the same. So now this is the same. Okay, in the next video we will add more. Okay, so good luck and have fun.